So Lars is an alumni student. She's worked her way up. She's built her business. It's pretty successful. She's a very good photographer. We were more than happy to bring her and her daughter back into the school. We photographed her in different locations around McAllen, and this is what we got. So we started off at the parking lot.
It was really cool to see all the photographers work together, using the reflector and where it needed to be and moving it around and adjusting.
We were using a reflector board and a
speed light. So working with them together, bouncing light off the board and getting really nice, soft, even light on the subject, which was Natasza. We moved to the alley and we were using a yellow wall. She wore some sunglasses. It was very urban. From there we went and had fun in the middle of the street and lots of bokeh street lights. It was really cool.